Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a Cafe Diablo. Now, I didn't know the devil drinks coffee, but we're going to make that assumption anyways. So we're going to start off as we do with any other coffee drink with our coffee in a coffee mug. And our base liqueur for this drink is going to be a cognac. Now, we're going to do 2 parts of cognac to 1 part of triple sec, which is going to be our other ingredient. Right now we're using Hardy's, but you can use any cognac of your preference, whether it be Courvoisier, Hennessy, Remy Martin, whatever you like. So we're going to pour in our 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From which we're going to add in our triple sec. Now, triple sec being our orange flavored liqueur. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in variation of triple sec, you can always feel free to use Cointreau or Grand Marnier if you want to take it up a notch. After that, as within any other coffee drink, we're going to top that off with whipped cream. And then finish that cocktail off with a maraschino cherry. So to all you bartenders and barflies out there, next time you're recommending a new drink or just bellying up to the bar for one yourself, why not make it a Cafe Diablo?